Hey, we just got off Ghost Rider right here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, look, they're coming right.
Oh my God, they're barely coming through there.
It was crazy. Don't drop the camera.
I'm not gonna go.
It was crazy.
I forgot, but look down. Oh my God.
This ride was long.
I know, it's over
It's
there.
like 100 feet drop.
Yeah, no.
100-foot drop every
Yeah,
day.
they're gonna 100-foot drop.
It's awesome. We should go again. We should go again, but there's so many people.
Our uncle's somewhere over there. I don't know where are they? Where'd they go? Oh, they're right there. I don't see them.
You said they're right there.
I thought. Oh, they're up there. They're up there. They're up there.
Oh, no, like I found right there. They're like used to me, and I'm like, what's your next
They're not over there. They're up there.
No, they're right there.
No, they're not. Look. I don't see them.
I do.
Where are they? I told you they were there.
No, you said you were right there.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, we're doing the vlog.
Did you like it?
My dreams were like this. We loved it.
Wasn't it fun? It wasn't it?
He's going on. Yeah, he's really going on it.
Like it?
My shoes are awesome.
Exit sign.
I'm waiting down here. I'm coming. Let's go.
No, it ain't. Come on. He says yeah, that
Good job. She said she's
No, he says yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's just wait for me.
The very first, very first.
Okay, guys, we just got off of Ghost Rider, the exit. Ugh.
No.
That was awesome, right?
That was awesome. I want to go
Tell him
on
that he
it
went on
again.
and he didn't.
Look, Ivan, you went on, right? You went on, and he is older than
Look, show
Ivan.
the entrance of Ghost Rider.
What the? Oh, the entrance of Ghost Rider. That was awesome. He's older than him, and he didn't go on it.
He's young. Oh, yeah.
He's young. He's older than him, and he didn't go on it.
If you're putting that on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm so putting this on YouTube. Oh, what the? Ah! Get out of the way. Oh, that was. Oh, I want to see. I'm trying. Let me see.
Get in line. I'm next.
Okay, let him try. My turn. My turn.
My turn.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, barn. Town jail. Ah, there's a leg sticking out. Ooh, funnel cakes. Windmill.
Yeah, that's a real person. Oh my God. No, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a real person. I thought he was like.
So where are they going now? Ooh, personalized accessories. Ooh, guns.
Wait, let's look at there. Remember?
Boot Hill Undertaker. I don't know. Oh, they're wigging. So what did you think of the ride?
Which ride?
The Ghost Rider.
Best ride ever.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's fun.
You recorded that. It's
No.
a skeleton already.
No. He didn't want to say hi. Okay, let's go. See, Luis didn't want to say hi to you too.
Get it.
Pony Express. Oh yeah. Pony Express, guys. Yep, it's open. It's open, guys. Pony Express. We'll show.
Bigfoot.
What? Bigfoot? Yeah, Pony Express first.
So we don't get that.
Pony Express first.
Hurry, so we don't get that thing wet.
Yeah.
Well, if you want-
Okay, you guys, we'll come back after the ride.
On Bigfoot.
Hey guys, I just got back from Accelerator. It's covered. It's that pink one all the way. That's
I know.
the
What ride
Supreme
did you
Cream.
do?
What ride used to be? I forgot though. I don't know.
What ride it is?
I forgot. But there's a dragon swing. Woo!
Let's go on the dragon swing. Totally awesome.
Woo! What do you like to say to the viewers? But what I want to say is that the Accelerator was awesome.
If you've never been here, come here right now. And Knott's very fun. It's awesome.
Nuts. Oh man! Ah! That thing's high.
Jack.
There's some guy right there. What do you want, man? He's just a painting. Taqueria. I'm gonna get a burger. Yeah, sweet burgers. Water fountain. There is the silver bullets. Oh my god, that ride is awesome. I didn't go on it yet though. It's like right when we entered, it's like right there, but we didn't go on it yet. Because no one would go on. Just me. I'm the only one that wants to go on. And he won't go on either. Yeah, I went on an accelerator by myself and it was awesome. It's like, goes like 86 miles per hour or something like that. Dibs! Okay. Come on, slowpokes! Place is huge! Ooh. Had the Superman. Hey guys, we're waiting in the line for Sierra Sidewinder. It's like, look at that line. I don't know. Can you guys hear us? If you can, I don't know.
Sidewinder is awesome. Meet. Look at my faux hawk.
Faux hawk.
Let me do meet.
Look at the ride.
Meet.
What do you want to say to the viewers?
Nothing.
What do you want to say to the viewers?
Nothing.
What do you want to say to the viewers?
Sidewinder.
What do you want to say to the viewers?
Ghost Rider.
Now, what do you want to say? Hey.
Sidewinder and Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider for the win.
Sal, you already had your chance.
Goodbye. I will see you guys later. We are gonna leave before.
If you sneeze during.
Hey guys, we just got back from Sidewinder.
Not worth the wait.
Nope. That line was long.
Ghost Rider? Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna go on Ghost Rider and then we're gonna leave here. So that's really it. Yeah. So nuts.
So where's Sebastian all by himself?
I don't know. No, he's with his dad over there. He's with our
Where are you
Tio.
going? Oh, see her. You still see her? Yeah, I saw her. You're in love with her? She's smoking on. You can see the phones, you can see their
Look at that. Okay, they're coming right
Ghost
now.
Rider time.
Ghost Rider! Come on.
Are you ready for Ghost Rider?
Yeah, let's go. Ghost Rider time! Ghost Rider time!
Carlitos, lead us to Ghost Rider. Lead us to Ghost Rider. Yeah. And then trophies. Wait, we're leaving? No, we're going to Ghost Rider. And then?
Sebastian, you want to go with the Ghost Rider?
Yeah. We're going to Ghost Rider.
I'm gonna go cool.
What?
Please go with me, Ghost Rider.
Yeah.
I want to be next to him.
Yvonne, me and you Ghost Rider?
No,
Why not? Me and you are the perfect ones for Ghost Rider.
I don't want to.
No!
I just don't feel like it. I want to go with Carlitos.
Carlitos already going with Eric.
Sorry.
Fine.
Yay! Yeah!
Maybe Carlitos, next day, pick me to go with
Okay,
you.
next time.
If you don't, I'm going to fuck you. But what if you forget?
Sebastian, you're going to love me.
If you forget, what if you're going to forget? What if you
Instead of Subway Eat Fresh, it's Zombie Eat Flesh. Oh my god, it's so loud here.
Your toy of
Station close, station close.
You bet. Here it is.
There it is, guys. I'll see you after the ride. Wait, let's go to the line first. Oh my god! Oh my god! The line.
Oh my god!
Ah,
We're gonna die!
we're going through the line.
Okay,
Oh my god. We're going through the line right now. Yay, now I'm so happy.
You're not so happy.
Now I'm so
Oh,
happy.
that's the ride right there.
Yep, that's the ride. It's made out of wood. My God, guys, wood.
It's made out of wood.
Better
That means
be.
it's rough.
Yeah, it means it's
It
rough.
better be.
A little
It better be
rough.
short, or else I'm gonna.
It makes my head hurt though.
Make my
It
neck
better be
hurt.
short, or
It
else
makes
I'm
my
gonna
head
kill
hurt.
myself.
It hurts. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's
Let's go. Let's go through the ride.
I bet the line is gonna be long.
I know. Let's go.
There it is. Record that. Oh wait.
That's the ride.
We're not gonna record the ride because we'll get in trouble.
We're not gonna record the ride. Yeah, we'll get in trouble, but
So
we are
see ya.
going to record the line though.
The line really.
Yeah, we're recording the line.
So we're gonna record when we leave. Also,
We're gonna record where we're going.
Weak back and neck or other physical limitations.
Whoa.
Thank you for riding Ghost Rider and enjoy the rest of
Oh
your
my God.
day.
Yeah, let's go. Stairs. So many stairs. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. No, not later. We're still recording.
No, we can't record the line. Oh.
Okay, guys, see ya after the ride. Hey guys, we just got off with the Ghost Rider again.
That thing was pretty fast too.
My God. Who wants to say something to the viewers?
awesome.
This ride is awesome, huh? Yeah, I'm recording.
Tell him that Sebastian went.
And he finally went. The chicken finally went.
He's not chicken anymore.
He's not chicken anymore. He went on this ride. Let's go look at the pictures. Let's go look at our pictures. Where's our pictures? Let's see our pictures.
I see you.
Look at him. He's like, oh, look at me. Oh no, look at me. Hey, where am I? Where did I go?
See mine? Let me see
Where did I
mine.
go? I know, we're not taking a photo. It's a video.
Oh, wait, go back.
I there I am, see me. That's funny. Hey, you said we could do it. I'm like,
I know, that doesn't mean you can record it.
ah.
It doesn't mean you can record it. Log ride. Dead.
The log ride is closed. Woo. That was awesome, guys.
That was cool, but it's not too short. It's not too long. It's perfect.
Guys.
That ride was awesome.
So do we end the video right now?
Later. Wait, we'll end at the entrance.
Yeah, we'll end it. Okay.
Get it right now.
Okay. And once again, here is the entrance for the Ghost Rider. Ghost down. There's the entrance. Whoa. Oh. Excuse me. Woo. Thank you. Ooh, say okay. I will lollipop dance. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, it's wiggling. It's wiggling. Rainbow lollipop dance. Rainbow lollipop dance. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, rainbow lollipop dance. It looks like a weenie.
Next time.
My shirt to cover my eyes.
Rainbow lollipop. Ooh, more. Oh my God, this is rainbow lollipop heaven. Snoopy, what are you doing here?
It's a kaleidoscope.
You have a weird smile, Snoopy. Bye-bye, guys. I got a rainbow lollipop.
Got watermelon sour.
Ooh, yeah, watermelon sours. And we are leaving. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, let's go somewhere else. Yeah.
Anybody need a stamp?
No. Thank you. Peace. Guys.
show my hand. I got snapped.
You got a stamp. Yay.
Can you see it on the camera?
Let me check. Yeah, you
This
can
is
see it.
what I got.
Yeah, guys.
We're trying to
Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. This was 3 Bucks. This is my boy's vlog. We will see you later.